halayn, and I think we're going to have to stop here, but he mentions that the alim, that Allah Ta'ala has given him the legislative knowledge, and then is short or falls short in spreading it. There are two main reasons why that happens. And believe you me, any individual that has graduated, I want to be specific now, Jam Islami in Medina, that has studied Tawheed on so many different levels, and then you find them cooperating with the people that oppose that Tawheed, they fall into that category, wala shak wala rayb. They kassaru fi ta'lim al-nas. But I'll go as far to say, they have betrayed the people. They have betrayed the people. The likes of these Suhaib Hassans and these individuals, and the people in Green Lane Masjid, and the people in Masjid Tawheed, and the people in Masjid Bir, and all these other masajid, and all these places where they claim to have knowledge, and they claim to, and you see them. Yet where's the teaching? Where is it? Where's the teaching of Tawheed? They claim to study under Sheikh Al-Albani. They will claim to study under Sheikh Ibn Baz. They will claim to study under Sheikh Ibn Taymiyyah. They will claim to study under Sheikh Rabia. They will claim to study under Sheikh Muhammad bin Hadi or Sheikh Abdul Aziz al-Sheikh. All these Mashaykh they claim to study under. So where's the teaching in Tawheed then? Where is it? Where is the clarification of Tawheed? Where is the clarification of Shirk? Where is the clarification of Bid'ah? Where is it? Because I prefer to be studying under a Sheikh right now. I would prefer that. But we have to do this because those individuals that claim to have knowledge are not doing it. And if you wait for them to do it, you'll be waiting for a long time. So the point is, and I have to say, it does anger me because these people claim a lot of claims. A lot of claims. Now that there's so many Salafiyun. But they weren't the ones that brought Salafiyah. They weren't concerned with it. They weren't concerned. It was the Shabab. It was the youth. They were concerned about it. The likes of Abu Talha Rahimahullah. The likes of Abu Hakim. These were the ones that went out in the early days. Abu Uwais Rahimahullah. And they brought back the Dawud Salafiyah. Not these individuals, these charlatans. So the point is that this issue of not teaching and giving the effort in teaching Tawheed and clarifying the Shirk, this is the issue which comes back to two issues which inshallah, if we have time after the Adhan and Salah, we'll mention it, and if not, we'll mention it next week, bi'idhnillah. But the point is, it's a betrayal. هذا وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم.